Sometimes we feel a situation in lives that it seems that there is no way to survive. We feel that we have nothing, we lost. But keep in mind, even in very bad circumstances, something in our lives we have and hold on them. In a dark night, you may find North Star. North Star means a guiding star, and that North Star will be your guiding star. So you feel all the things very carefully in your bad circumstances. In nowadays, all societies are full of crises, but try to learn from these crises too. These crises learned us that we should not too much busy in our lives. As our families are also very important for us. So, for understanding all the crises of the world, you must use two weapons. One is the weapons of patience, means that the trouble you are facing make that trouble tired. Keep patience on the bad circumstances, on the bad behavior of the people, on the shouting of others. Turns them with a smile. Do remember, if you face all hardship with smile, the trouble itself become tired and leave you. So face all the trouble and all difficult circumstances with patience. The second weapon is pray. Pray means that you fully trust with your heart and your soul on the Creator and the God, Allah, who is not seen. When you fully trust and flash back into your life, you had to see that there are many burning candles lightning in your life, which are not let to burn by you, but they become lighting for you. Make easiness for you and make your way easier. So you have faith on that in the next coming life you have to taste many things. There are many candles waiting for us. There are many moments which we have to enjoy. Happiness we have to share. Sorrows we have to console. Destinies waiting for us. So raise your hand for prayer. Bow your head with the feeling of gratitude. With humbleness, pray to Allah that release me from this trouble. Make me free from this difficult situation. So you know what happened? Your heart, your mind, your soul become peaceful and circumstances will be changed.